So I'm pretty sure I bled the, I'm pretty sure I bled, if it's the radiator lines that were in the furnace room, then I bled it. Now, if it wasn't the radiator lines, this is going to have a massive problem. So we'll see which one. Oh, it's too small. That one's not too small. Oh my gosh, I got it. That is shocking. I did not expect to get that. I expected to be like pounding on this and cutting it with a saw. So now all the water that's in the radiator gets to come out. And luckily, I already did this. But I have a feeling that that's not just from the radiator, that's probably from all of the radiators sort of falling out, which I'm not overly concerned about it because, well, it's a dirt floor. So now it's a wet dirt floor. So that went about as well as could be expected. So very pleased. That looks about right. That's not even holding it on. And neither is that one. So nothing was holding this on. So how is it held on? It's just resting on the holders. So, radiator number 1 down. On to the next. So I'm choosing to do the 2 in the dirt rooms first because I want to sort of bleed the line as much as possible before I try any of the others, so that theoretically there's less water in the other ones. Okay, I'm on the other side this time. Because if all the water from these and the lines sort of run out from doing these, then there should be less water, therefore making less mess for the rest of this process. Wow, no water. Love that. Wow! Whoa! I just scraped my nose on the edge there. Like, that could have been really bad. Had no idea it was quite so loose. Okay. Number 2 down. Well, let's hope it's all this easy. I probably just jinxed it by saying that. I'm going in no particular order other than the order of rooms I want to screw up the least, or I'm concerned about screwing up the least. So if this spills a ton of water all over a concrete floor, I'm not overly concerned. Actually, now I think about it, every floor is either dirt or concrete. What do I really care? But just don't want to deal with it. I don't have to. Yeah. I just hit my head on the wall. That's twice that this exact same. Okay, I gotta be more thoughtful that they can give up rather quickly and abruptly. I'm very pleasantly surprised by this process. Okay, bottom. Protect the head and the hand. I can feel the idea that the hand's gonna hit the floor. I did it right that time. Now water comes out. Oh, yeah. All right. Just coincidentally happen to have a little bucket here. And my bucket is spilled everywhere. Oh well. Whoa, 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 whoa. See all that coming out of here. You know what? Leave it like that. Let it drain. Let it drain. Into the living room. Ooh, this is a big jammer. This is a real radiator. Like old school radiator. Okay, again. Ha! Prepared that time. Okay. This thing's gonna be heavy. Oh my goodness. This is a case where gravity, I felt, was my friend. Wait. Oh my gosh, I can't even. That's a heavy radiator. How am I gonna get that out of here? I don't have a floor. Well, regardless, undone. That's the task for today. Moving it out will be a task for another day. But I found a cool wallpaper behind it. Cool might be an overstatement. I found a wallpaper behind it. Wow. How? That doesn't make any sense. How are you supposed to get that out? How'd you even get that in? Okay. I need a hammer or a crowbar. I just realized my wife wanted to resell these. This is one I care a little bit more about because I still have the wood floors under here. Yay! This one's really tight. Okay. And we have a visitor. Hello, little visitor. Oh. Nana. I caught no. Okay, no video. Meh. Yeah, let's not intentionally do that. It's going to pour out the other side, isn't it? No. Great. We'll pour it out outside. Two. Exciting. Exciting and new. Come aboard. We're expecting. Expecting you, the love boat. And the final radiator is upstairs. The one and only radiator upstairs. Just cry. But they only had one room up here, so I'm sure it makes sense. Well, but there was also a big lobby area by the balcony, so you would have thought they would. Maybe there is, actually. I should double check that. Nope, no other radiators upstairs. So, radiators all removed. Now I will need to remove all the pipes for the radiators, which will be interesting. It's not so much the pipes even per se, it's this. It's the little supports that were put in that I've got to probably chisel out of the wall, like these things here. And probably just gonna chisel them out of the wall. So that's fun.